So are you posting videos on Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, but just not getting the results that you want? Well, it's key to remember that each of these platforms have its own features, audience, algorithms, which means the same video won't perform equally across all of them. If you want to boost engagement and get your content in front of more viewers, you need to optimize your videos for each platform. So in this video, I'll walk you through platform-specific tips to help you create high-performing videos for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to maximize your reach, increase engagement, and drive results on each platform. Now remember, each platform has a unique viewer demographic, so tailoring your content to that audience is key to success. But before we dive into the platform-specific tips, let's talk about why optimization is so important. You know, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube all have different algorithms, and they're all determining which videos gets promoted to a larger audience. What works on one platform might not work on another, because not only are the features different, so are the audiences. So an example would be a quick casual video might go viral on TikTok, where the audience tends to skew younger and prefer authentic, off-the-cuff content. But the same video might not perform well on Instagram Reels, where the audience expects more polished, visually appealing content. Optimizing for the right demographic is just as important as optimizing for each platform's features. So let's start with Instagram Reels. Instagram is known for its high quality visuals, and its audience skews slightly older than TikTok, with a strong focus on aesthetics and lifestyle content. Now here are some specific tips to optimize your videos for Instagram Reels. Number one is use high quality visuals. Instagram viewers are drawn to polished, professional looking content. Make sure your videos are shot in high resolution with good lighting and clean visuals. Number two is hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Instagram users scroll quickly, so the first few seconds of your video are crucial. Start with something that grabs attention, whether it's visually striking image or intriguing question, something like that. And number three is leverage trending audio. Using popular or trending audio clips can boost your video's chances of being featured on the Explore page, where it can reach a much wider audience. And number four is add captions or text overlays. Many users watch videos with the sound off, so adding captions or text that explain your message can help keep viewers engaged without audio. And remember, with Instagram's audiences tending to be slightly older and more focused on lifestyle and high quality visuals, so make sure your content reflects that. If your goal is to attract a professional or a lifestyle oriented demographic, Instagram Reels is where you want to be. So next, let's talk about TikTok, which has a young audience, a much younger audience than all the other platforms, with a huge focus on quick, engaging, and authentic content. TikTok users don't expect highly produced videos. They want content that feels relatable and in the moment. Here's a couple of tips to optimize your videos for TikTok. So number one, get straight to the point. TikTok videos are usually short and fast-paced. Make sure to get to the point within the first few seconds, because viewers are scrolling really quickly. So don't waste the time on long intros and introducing yourself and all these extra things. Number two, lean into the trends. TikTok algorithms loves trends. Whether it's a challenge or a sound or a viral hashtag, participating in trends can give your videos a better chance of being discovered. And number three, keep it casual and authentic. TikTok users prefer raw, unpolished content. You don't need a studio setup, just be yourself and have fun. And number four, use the right hashtags. TikTok's search engine relies heavily on hashtags, so use mix of trending and niche specific hashtags to help your content get discovered by the right audiences. TikTok's younger audiences love spontaneous and casual content, so focus on being relatable, fun, and up to date with the trends. Authenticity and humor go a long way in resonating with TikTok's predominantly Gen Z audience. Now finally, let's talk about YouTube Shorts. YouTube's audience tend to be broader in terms of demographic, ranging from younger viewers to professionals and enthusiasts who are used to searching for content on specific topics. Here are a couple of tips to help you optimize your YouTube Shorts. Number one, create engaging thumbnails. Unlike TikTok and Instagram, YouTube allows you to customize your video's thumbnail when posting directly in the app. So make sure to create compelling thumbnails that encourages your people to click on your video. Number 2, leverage longer watch times. YouTube tends to prioritize videos that keep viewers watching for longer. While shorts are short, they still benefit from keeping users engaged until the end, so make sure your content is captivating. And number 3, include strong CTAs. YouTube Shorts is still tied to the larger YouTube ecosystem, so use the CTAs to engage viewers to watch your other videos or visit your channel. Number 4, use keywords in your title and description. Since YouTube is a search engine, optimizing your video's titles and descriptions with relevant keywords can help your shorts get discovered by users who are searching for related content. With YouTube Shorts, you have the opportunity to tap into YouTube's massive, diverse audience, so focusing on SEO and engagement metrics like watch time and CTAs is key. It's a platform where you can really grow your presence if you get your optimization right. So now that we've learned how to optimize your videos for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, you might be wondering how to develop a cohesive strategy that works across these platforms and helps you reach your target audience. Well, at Moonward Media, we specialize in helping businesses create customized video strategies that align with the goals and your audience's preferences. So if you're ready to take your video marketing to the next level, schedule a free 30-minute consultation with us, and we'll walk you through how to tailor your content for each platform and maximize your results. You know, the key is each platform has its own strengths, features, and unique viewer demographics. So be sure to tailor your content to fit those specifics. And if you're wondering how to create a winning content strategy with your videos that ties all of this together, optimization, consistency, targeting, check out the next video on your screen now, and it'll show you exactly how to create a cohesive strategy that delivers real results.